The JCB 3CX Plus is equipped with an advanced auto-leveling system that makes loading, dumping, and leveling smoother, faster, and easier, especially for new operators. Let's go through the correct steps and key benefits. Turn on auto-leveling. Before you begin work, press the auto-leveling switch located on the loader control panel. Once you've completed the dump, pull the loader control lever back to the bucket level position. Auto-leveling engages. When the bucket reaches the correct level, the system disengages automatically, and the lever returns to neutral. If this switch is off, the auto-leveling system will not engage. Benefits. Time saving. Quickly resets the bucket to level after each dump, reducing cycle time. Ideal for new operators. Automatically corrects bucket angle, reducing the need for manual skill. Accurate ground leveling. Keeps the bucket flat for consistent surface finishing. Less operator fatigue. Fewer joystick adjustments mean smoother, easier control. Higher productivity. Delivers faster, cleaner, and more precise loading cycles. The JCB 3CX Plus. Smart, efficient, and easy to operate. With auto-leveling activated, every load is balanced, every pass is perfect,